In front of me is POCO F8 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can change this device's theme. Start by opening Settings and scrolling to click on Personalization available here. Now scroll down to hit Themes and pick any of those by clicking on the best one for you. You can either buy it or try one of the free ones. I will go with this one. Hit download or buy it. Tap on got it or don't apply and go with a different theme if you see this pop up. And now select apply. You can also tap on customize if you wanna exclude some options. For example, you can click on icons so they won't change and then hit apply. Either way, when I go back, I can see that theme of my POCO has changed. If you wish to go back to your default theme, go into the same settings. Tap on Themes again. This time choose my account at the bottom right corner and hit Themes at the top to apply POCO or Limitless. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!